Greetings from Malaekahana Beach. It's quite windy, so you probably won't be able to hear me, but we took a trip to the windward side just to relax during spring break and camp. I enjoy camping, I enjoy the outdoors. Wearing a hat because my hair is all wangas, but this is our setup. Beautiful beach. Not too close, so it's not too windy. Fire pit. Brada over there on his tablet instead of enjoying where we're supposed to be at. That's our little tent. And that's our little barbecue. So I enjoy camping because I like mainly relaxing and the food. And of course the booze. Hey guys, this is day 2 of our camping trip at Malaekahana, and it is a beautiful St. Patrick's Day. I am sunburnt and woke up, had some awesome breakfast. We made fried rice, Portuguese sausage and eggs, and went swimming, a little bit fishing. No luck with the fishing because we woke up too late. Should have gone earlier, and I'm always ending up being lazy at night to do it. So we're gonna be doing lunch and gonna just have a simple thing of hot dogs, and then later on probably have relaxation time and then dinner time. And if you've never been here and you're wondering how much it costs to camp and you want to do something with your family, I believe it's for the tent sites. We're lazy this time and cheap. We got just a tent site where you pitch a tent and you can put up whatever. It was about $9 and something cents. I have the receipt here. So for 2 days, it was $33.52 for me and my son. They charge you by each person. So if it's one person, it was $18.82. Not bad for a little outdoor staycation if you like to rough it and you're not prissy and you don't mind being a little dirty. They have a couple bathrooms that everybody shares and just regular beach showers. They do have different hales, which are just pretty much basic cabins with a cheapy mattress, and you got to bring your own linens. That is really expensive to me though. It's about 50 something bucks or $60 a night. Or you can get the tutus hale, which is like $100 something, but that has a toilet inside and all that. But I think for a regular tent site and you're not opposed to doing outdoor stuff, it's super cheap.